Waveful. So for today's video ay please wag niyo po itong skip, lalong-lalo na po sa mga baguhan pa lang. Makinig po kayo para po meron po kayong idea kung paano ba kumita dito sa Waveful.
Yes.
So first is dapat meron kayong Waveful account. Tapos kapag
Jay, what is it? Help!
I just want to say we are at 6K. Okay, this is amazing.